Our success with impact teams began, I think, when we determined that we were going to focus on students increasing their ownership of learning through the formative assessment process, and really taking a look at what we needed to do to gain clarity in the classroom through our curriculum work. As a district, we had to work on eliminating competing initiatives and allow the space in our collaboration time for teachers to really hone in on what it is that they truly wanted students to learn and be able to do.
We began by looking at our standards and determining what were the key areas that would have high transferability across subject areas and grade levels. And then from there, we determined what are our big ideas that we want students to understand about each of these focus standards that would be relevant and help them build a deeper understanding as units unfolded. Establishing learning progressions with these key competencies allowed us to see multiple entry points for students and build horizontal coherence within the curriculum.
Our conversations started to move in a direction where teachers weren't talking about what they were planning and doing, but they were starting to talk about what students were learning in their classroom and what were the root causes for that success. Teacher teams really began to see that they could differentiate for all students and that students could truly master our focus standards if we were able to provide a clear path for them. Allowing our teacher teams to determine the time needed for mastery and what success looked like for them and their students helped us to create moments of success for them where they had a clear path for where they needed to go next with students, and this allowed the process to be repeatable and to allow the impact team model to be sustainable